So hey guys, we are back, and last time around we were here trying to add a to do, and let's just zoom in a bit. Yeah. Oh, so okay, we did this, and it was doing a console log, but there's a small problem, I guess. If we just remove the whole string and press enter, it prints an empty string. We don't want to show. I mean, we don't want to send an empty string there. So let's just fix this. Where's this? Yeah. So if we have an empty string, how to write that? If new to do is basically empty, then we just plain and simple return. Okay, so let's try this now. Let's go here and press enter. It doesn't work. If I do something and press enter, it works. And if I remove this and press enter, it doesn't work. So nice. Okay, now we want to do a post request, right? Okay, so in order to do a post request, I really don't like to use fetch because it has a lot of problems of its own. So let's just stop the server here and let's add something called as Axios. To do that, we can write the command yarn add Axios, and yeah, so it should be done pretty fast. Okay, it's done. Now what we can do is we can just restart the whole thing. Yeah, you can wait until it's done for you and just start the video again. Yeah. So here we are. Okay, it's working. The build is working. The project is working. Let's do this. Okay, ASD, it works. Fine. Now, if I'm using Axios, we can just remove this as well and use Axios directly for this. Axios from. So to do that, we just have to first write import Axios from Axios. Then we are here, instead of fetch, we can write Axios dot get, and we can just remove this data here because Axios gives us data in JSON format itself. And instead of setting the data, let's first just console log this whole data, right? And let's see what we get, right? Okay, let's do a refresh. Nothing. Inside this data, we get a data array, which is our to do. So now giving this a name of data doesn't seem so good. So instead, it should be response, and this should be response dot data. Okay, my bad. Okay, now if we hit refresh, okay, we are still doing a console log. My bad, my bad. Let's do set to dos here. Set to dos, and let's see. Yeah, it works. It works. Okay, now we have to do a post request here. So what we can do is let's first create the payload, right? That what the data should look like. So not let's do a const data equals to, okay, I'm sorry, it's here, const data equals to, it should first have an ID. Let's create it as an empty string. It should have a to do should be what, new to do. Then it should have a completed flag of false. Let's do a false. Okay, now let's look at ID. How can we get the ID? So ideally ID should be the last element of, I mean, we can get the ID from the last element of the to-dos array and then add one. So how to do that? To-dos, to-dos length minus one dot ID, which is a number, plus one. So this should be a new ID, but let's just see. Okay, what if I do QWE? So it's ID 4 to do QWE completed false. Nice. Okay. Just one more thing, on pressing enter, our to do, which their new to do, which we have entered in this input, should also go away. Let's do that as well. So we can do set new to do as not data, empty string. Okay. So let's press enter again. Yeah, it goes away. Enter, it goes away, right? Okay, cool. So now this is the place where we have to write our post request. So how do we write our post request? Let's do Axios dot post to, okay, yeah. So in fetch, we used to write the fetch, the whole thing, and then inside we used to write method. Here we don't do that. Here we just write axios dot get, axios dot post dot put dot delete and all that stuff, right? So we can do React. Okay, this is the URL. Then we have to add the body, and that body itself, I guess, is we can just add data here. Okay, but let's see what Axios tells us. Yeah, data. So we can see here Axios host, it takes URL which is compulsory, then data, config, and Axios, all that stuff. Okay, data is not compulsory, but we have to add data right here. uh then as we know, Axios already gives us data in a JSON format. So let's not do this. Response set to do's, no. Let's console log this whole thing and let's add a new to do here. ASD. Okay, so we have some data here. That data, inside that response we have this new data. Now if I refresh this, I have ASD here, right? Let's do a to do 5 and press enter. If I refresh, I have a to do 5. Okay, now this response dot data essentially gives me my to do. Let's do a to do 6 and press enter. I have a to do 6, but when I refresh, I can see the to do 6. Now let's first go here and let's remove this whole array out of existence and let's do this, right? Why? This clears the whole thing. Let's do T1. Okay. ID of undefined. Cool. Nice error. So it's essentially saying that to-dos dot length minus one, this doesn't work. Okay. So this won't work. So what we can do is we can do an OR here and add ID1. Let's try that. What the error was, I'm sorry if I couldn't explain it properly, but the to-dos array is empty. So to-dos dot length is 0 and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So to-dos of minus 1 is going to give an error. So and dot ID is definitely going to give an error, and so there cannot be a plus 1. So I have added an OR 1 and let's see if this works, right? Let's do a hard refresh here. Let's do a T1. Yeah, it still gives that error. So what we can do is if no, sorry, to-dos dot length greater than 0 question mark, then do this here or just add 1. I think this should work just fine. Let's do T1. Yeah, this works, but again we have to now refresh the whole thing again and again. So in order to solve this problem, let's just go to the next video. I think this is enough for now. If you are facing any problem till here, just rewatch the video. I may be a bit fast, but you can just slow me down 2.75x and see what's going on in the code. Pause the video or wait for a while and write it properly. It should work, right? See you in the next video.